Hi, I'm Dr. Kevin, and I'm going to talk this morning about a question I get a lot in the office, which is sparkling water bad for your teeth? You hear a lot about this on the news. People are worried about sparkling water being bad for your teeth, or on the internet, on Instagram, on TikTok. But the reality is, when the ADA has done research on this, they really haven't found that sparkling water is significantly worse for your teeth than traditional water. And let me just break that down for you a little bit. Why are we worried about sparkling water in general? If you look at the back of the label, it says it contains carbonated water. Carbonated water has carbonic acid, which is basically just carbon dioxide dissolved in water. And the pH of that, or the level of acid in that, is a little higher and can cause, the pH is a little lower, and that can cause some erosion of the enamel and dentin. And so when you look at this diagram, you can see that sparkling water has a pH of 4.1, 4.2, and we worry about that a little bit because the pH of enamelware is about 5.5, and the pH level for dentin to demineralize is around 6.5. And so, as you can see, these are lower than what it takes for enamel and dentin to demineralize, and so there is some concern there. However, if you really importantly look at sparkling water compared to soda, sparkling water is significantly less acidic than a Coca-Cola, Fanta, Sprite. And so keep that in mind, that also too that the pH scale is a logarithmic scale, and so it's actually about 100 times less acidic than a Coke. And so I would much rather have you drink sparkling water than a sugary soda. Um, and then also one thing that also gets missed a lot in this conversation is the buffering capacity of these drinks. And so what I mean by buffering capacity is that your saliva in your mouth has bicarbonate, which neutralizes the acids in the foods and drinks that we eat. And the amount of saliva or bicarbonate required to neutralize the acids in these drinks is actually much less for sparkling water than things like Coke, wine, orange juice. And so keep that in mind when choosing your beverages. And I would, once again, would much rather have you pick sparkling water over a soda or orange juice. And a couple points about choosing your sparkling water. Just, in general, the flavors with citrus in it, like lemon, lime, grapefruit, those tend to have more acid because of that citric acid that is with them. And then also just make sure that sparkling water that you are drinking has no sugar in it. Sparkling water with sugar is no longer sparkling water, it's really just another soda. Hopefully this has been helpful, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks so much.